Good morning, class. Today we are going to find the distance between 2 points using the Pythagorean theorem. Okay? So here is my 2 points. Let's say this is Carrie's house and this is Amaya's house, and I want to find the shortest distance from Carrie's house to Amaya's house. Now, common mistake a lot of students want to make is they just want to count 1, 2, 3, but you can't do that because you don't know how many units it is. It's not exactly 1 unit. It's a diagonal line. So we are going to use the Pythagorean theorem. So, of course, when I hear Pythagorean theorem, I think right triangle. So I'm going to draw a right triangle. I'm going to draw it from here and then go up to find that diagonal line. Okay? You can also do it the other way and go up and over. Okay, you can also go up and over. They will result in the same diagonal. But I'll just do over and up for this situation. If you want to do up and over, you can. You'll get the same answer. All right, so if you look, the distance from here to here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And distance from going up is 1, 2, 3. And then I can use the Pythagorean theorem, right? Let me use the algebraic way. I have a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay? Remember, the hypotenuse is always my c, and these two are my a and b. So I have 6 squared plus 3 squared equals c squared. 6 squared is 36 plus 9 equals c squared. 36 plus 9 is what? If you don't know, use a calculator. But 36 plus 9 is 45 equals c squared. And then you want to square root both sides to get c. Those cancel out. And the square root, sorry, I had to use my calculator. The square root of 45 is approximately 6.7. Let's round it to the nearest tenths, okay? So it takes about, let's say, 6.7 miles or something, okay, to go from Carrie's house to Amaya's house. Okay? All right, for this one, I want to find the distance from point A, which is at negative 5, 6, to point B, which is at negative 2, 4. So this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to plot it. All right, so negative 5, 6 is right there. That's A. And negative 2, 4 is right there at B. And I want to find the distance. So I'm going to create a right triangle. I'm going to go down and over. Remember, you could go the other way if you want. And I'm going to find the distance between A, B using the Pythagorean theorem. So here we go. The distance from here to here is 3. The distance from here to here is 2. So then I'm going to use the Pythagorean theorem. Let me use the visual way. For those that like the visual way, I'm going to create a square there, create a square there, and then create a square there. So square here, the area is 9, because 3 times 3 is 9. The area here is 4. And so I know that 4 plus 9 has to give me the area of c squared. And 4 plus 9 is 13. So c squared equals 13. So this equals 13. And to find the side length, I have to take the square root of both sides. So square root of 13 is 3.6 approximately. And that's what c will equal. That's what the distance from A to B would equal, 3.6 units. Alright, I want you to try this. I want you to find the distance from A to B using the Pythagorean theorem. I will see you tomorrow. 안녕!